How to use one WhatsApp account on two mobile devices. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how you can easily connect your one WhatsApp account to two mobile devices. But before we proc, just bear in mind that WhatsApp currently don't allow you to have two WhatsApp account with the same phone number. So the only way you can have same WhatsApp account on two mobile devices is just to have WhatsApp app installed on one of the devices, then connect the other device via web, just like linking your WhatsApp to computer. So me quick show you illustration on how to get this done. First of all, open your WhatsApp account, then tap on the three-dot menu above and click on Link Devices. Then go over to the other device you want to have same account on, and tap in web.whatsapp.com on your Chrome browser. Once it load, go back to your WhatsApp app on the main device and click on Link Device. Then scan the code that appears on the other phone web, and once it's done scanning, it will automatically log you in, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.